Hello. Hello, this is the My Artifact episode number 2415. Today's date is 1st April 2022. वाजले आता रात्रीचे almost like 11 वाजता. So I decided that I have to achieve 700 subscriber till the end of 2nd of April. And today is the 1st April and right now I have a subscriber is 676. Okay, so almost like 25 subscriber remaining for complete this 700 subscriber. Actually is that I am not really kind of like that. I am not really literally possessive for things like that. 700 subscriber I have to achieve for till the end of 2nd of April. Will I achieve this target or not? I'm actually is not really worried about that thing. Why? Because of that I found my momentum. Momentum means what? That the whatever the effort you are putting towards your work, and this is the maximum effort you can put, so that is called momentum. Means like that like if you you have to run 40 kilometers, okay, and you found out that you can run almost like a 10 kilometer per hour, like this is your maximum speed and you are doing this thing, okay. So the thing is that if I try to make myself even faster, I try to hurt myself, okay, and which is not really good, okay. Like basically if I said that what if I run 12 kilometer per hour, so yeah, definitely I can run 12 kilometer per hour, but next day I will not able to run 12, not even 10 kilometer, because I was so tired because of yesterday I was run 12 kilometer per hour. So basically if you try to push yourself even further, then it's kind of like a bit really hectic for a longer period of time, okay. So basically you have to run really long, okay. So you have to find a perfect momentum that you can manage yourself, that this is the effort, this is the maximum effort you can do, and you can do other things to do because it's your life, okay. I'm talking about the YouTube thing, okay. So basically is that I am uploading 20 reels and 5 videos every day, and this is my maximum effort. This is the maximum effort I'm putting on my work, okay. So if I try to push myself even further, I try to hurt myself, okay. Obviously I realize that I am actually editing 20 reels per day and 5 videos per day. It took me entire day to complete that task, yeah. And I didn't have any energy, I didn't have anything to do because I was so busy and so things like that, okay. So I am actually putting all those efforts and I didn't really get anything na. So it just like it felt really off. It felt something like that कि कुछ गलत हो रहा है, okay. So I have to figure it out कि क्या गलत हो रहा है. Let's be extend the upload, यानी चलो ठीक है अभी 20 नहीं तो 25 अपलोड करते हैं. So it is not gonna work out, okay. Solution इसमें नहीं है कि आप कितना अपलोड करोगे, नो. Solution इसमें है कि आप अपने अपलोड्स यानी अपने जो क्वालिटी है वो आप कितना इंक्रीज कर रहे हो, okay. That is most matter. So basically my qualities depend on a game, okay. So GTA 5 is actually, I already explained yesterday Artifact episode, I already explained about this GTA 5 and all those things and why people play GTA 5 online, not story mode and things like that. So whatever. And actually is that just at the beginning of the YouTube now, you just have to focus on your upload. That is the important thing you have to do, okay. Like having maximum upload, then but still there is a good thing is that Yeah, still I am not getting that much subscriber but there is a thing is that I'm getting views, and which is really good. Like basically yesterday I was get almost like a 100 or maybe 150 views per hour, but today I'm getting almost like a 200, 250, 300 views per day, per hour. So which is good, great. And so increasing view, subscriber is hasn't increases. So, yeah. Today I uploaded almost like a 10 reels. Actually, 3 reels are actually right now uploading because of the internet speed. And I this the Geo network is so sucks, yeah. Yeah, I didn't really like the Geo network. Instead of Geo, I should have to get Airtel or something like that. I don't know. Uh, so I'm not trying to push myself. This is what it is. Okay. And even if I didn't really achieve 700 subscriber till the end of tomorrow, I don't really worried about this thing. I was constantly uploading things. All right. I can see the bigger picture now, but still there is so many things that I have to achieve and things like that. All right. This is it. This is the end. This is the My Artifact episode number 2415. Right now we are at Wardha, Maharashtra. Thank you.